Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make this super quick because one, the AC's off, your girl's sweating. Two, I'm running a little late because I forgot like half my clothes at my house, so now I'm making a pit stop back here. But today starts the beginning of my DC Leesburg vlog. I'm so excited for this video. It's basically going to be me, Chloe, and Emma just having a time and a half before we start our jobs for this summer. I'm going up to DC/Leesburg today. I'm driving up. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes to get there. Chloe has a bunch of stuff planned for us. We're supposed to go to Georgetown. We're visiting Macon. We're going shopping. We might be going out. Like, I don't know. It's gonna be really fun, and I'm excited to spend some time with them before I don't see both of them for pretty much the whole summer, so that's really sad. For those of y'all who are new here, my name is Megan. I'm a 4th year at the University of Virginia. You're joking. I feel so old, but subscribe if you're new. A bunch of new videos coming this summer. I'm gonna edit one and get it up today, actually. I'm just gonna try and pump out as much content as I can. If you have any requests, definitely leave them down below. And yeah, let's go to DC. Whew. I've made it to Leesburg, to Chloe's house. Here's Emma, and I just have to share this iconic bathroom. We've time traveled to the UK instead of Leesburg. I'm here. I'm in the UK right now. So
yeah, whenever you go in there, you have to do a British accent.
Oh,
but you have to
Brits only.
Union Jacks in my house.
Alright, there's
so
words
many.
on the
Yeah,
way.
you can come. Kitty's my mother.
Yeah, Kitty is her mother.
I've made those little things.
Amazing. Oh, and the
A
cat.
psycho kitty lives here.
Got Chloe on her bedspread. More Union
with
Jack.
my tetanus.
Up, tennis.
Yeah, we walk. Us British people walk everywhere. Us British people. Me and my dad. Me and my dad, right, would walk to Target from my house, and one day we were walking to Target, and the amount of people that stopped on the road and said, "Do you need a lift? Do you need help?" I'm like, no, we're just going on a walk to get a few groceries. It's like not that big of a deal.
Also, dark blue, medium, show them. Light
All
blue.
sponsored by
Ombre.
Patagonia.
We're doing the most on our walk right now. It's like 2 miles. Chloe's showing us Leesburg. We're just on the road. No one's coming.
This is my home. Welcome. I'll give you a tour of the front yard, and then we can take a tour to the stable. Actually, this is my home. Whoa! This is actually my summer home. This is where I summer.
Oh. Oh God, that's not a look for me. All right, so now we're at the Leesburg outlets, as we do. My hair is great right now. We finished our little walk. We walked almost 3 miles, burned a lot of calories, which we will be eating back tonight in pizza.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And now we're at the outlets. Amazing.
It has to get there.
We have to get it. Chloe's questioning our whole life choices right now.
I am. What? Oh my God, what am I doing with a politics major? Like, I don't know.
We're currently in the Chick-fil-A line. We just got our Starbucks. I had to get breakfast of sorts before we gear up for our fantastic day in DC. We're going to see Macon. We're going to Old Town. We're going
to Arlington for drinks at night.
Might meet some hot men.
Yeah, I really feel like you're hyping that up.
I really am. I really don't think that that's gonna happen.
I feel as if, oh God.
Okay, get the camera.
Oh my God. That's the plan for today. What does that entail right now, you might ask? You might ask, what are these girls doing right now? We're about to go beautify ourselves.
Okay, we partially beautified last night when we
mess. My whole freaking room smells of Jergens foam, and that has to end. I'm lighting the candle when we get back. We're gonna do like hair. We're gonna pack for about 2 weeks because we're going for a night.
We're going for a night, so we have to have 10 outfits.
But the problem is, everyone, this is the problem that we're facing. As we are getting older, we do now have the opportunity to go out to bars in towns.
The opportunity.
Like Washington D.C, for example. The problem with that is that I don't know how to dress for that. I got a tube top and a jean skirt. Like, that's not the way to go. People are gonna be like, who's this 10-year-old trying to get into this bar?
Don't want to look.
We don't want to look 14. We want to look
24.
21.
24. Up the age a little bit. Maybe we'll throw one in the vlog tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're gonna introduce you to Glenn. I don't know what part of this is gonna go on.
Emma's gonna kill us.
But basically, we have befriended some boys who are not at the Institute because love the UVA boys, but I don't. That's a lie.
We've branched out.
We've branched out, and you know what? Some of them not good, like controversial characters. And I hope none of these boys are watching it, but I'm just like, some of them are like,
there's no way they're watching.
And then we've met a few and we liked them, so we've become friends with them. So we're meeting up with one of them tomorrow, one of the military chaps, and we're gonna hang out. He's obviously in love with Emma. Couldn't be us.
They all.
Couldn't be us, but we're gonna definitely be great third wheels together. You know what's gonna be the most fun for us is the fact that we are going to, we're going to Tyson's tomorrow.
Yeah,
also,
we're going to Zara. I've never been to Zara before, so I'm really excited to go. And like, oh my gosh, wait, we gotta do the haul.
Yeah, we have a haul for y'all.
Haul for y'all.
Basically yesterday, I live in Leesburg, Virginia, and we have Leesburg outlets here, and they're okay, like,
I think
good.
they're great.
They're great. We didn't even explore too much. We went to like 3 stores, but we went to Aerie, the outlet, and freaking these two snagged all the cute skirts, and I want one, but in a particular color, so we're going to Tyson's for that.
So that's kind of the update for right now.
It's a fat update.
It's a fat update. It's a 6-minute update, so that's definitely getting cut down. We'll catch y'all on the way
We'll catch y'all on the flip side.
We're on the streets of Georgetown right now. I'm here with Emma, Chloe, and Macon, and we are doing the touristy things right now. We're walking around, we're going to the shops. Feeling...
Chloe's gonna pee herself.
Maybe. Feeling very bougie.
They got cobblestone street.
It is so freaking gorgeous out here. It is the perfect day, and I'm gonna take y'all along. Hopefully my camera doesn't die, and if it does, we're going on the phone because it's too beautiful not to vlog. Chloe's buying an exercise dress.
Outdoor voices.
Outdoor Voices, getting on the bandwagon. Thank God. So cute. Fit check. Bonjour. Guys, we're going nuts in H&M right now, but we're definitely staying humble in the dressing.
Yeah. This dressing it makes me look terrible. I'm hot shit walking the streets right now. No, I'm not.
But this top,
I look like
this top is like super cute. We just walked past literally the hottest man I've ever seen in my entire life. Like,
I hate myself.
Chloe missed him.
Beautiful.
We're dying. Chloe and I also just spent our life savings at H&M, but it's okay. There's no rules in Georgetown. We're just along for the ride. To the man at the corner cafe, you are so sexy. I wish I could see you again. We literally knew anything about you except how hot you were. That's it.
I wish I knew what your parents looked like.
Oh my God. Camera's about to die. We're about to go back to Macon's house and chill by the pool for a little bit. And then we're gonna get ready.
A happy hour.
Yeah, a little happy hour. And then we're gonna go to dinner at
Urbano 116.
Urbano 116.
We're driving by.
Yeah,
Old
we're driving
Town
by the boy.
Alexandria.
Yes, Bacon's giving us the tour, so we'll catch you then. Got our fits on. Macon's wearing her pink skirt, popping a pimple.
Have to.
Have to do it.
Literally have to. People will think I have herpes. Come on.
I might be wearing the side part tonight, which is a little bit of a change, but we're in Macon's room, looking at Virginia.
My princess.
So cute. We're going out to dinner in like a couple hours. Oh, we might chill by the pool first, you know, a little bit. Fun.
Hi. Yeah.
chilling on Macon's porch right now.
Yodeling.
Yodeling, a little bit of just vibing, a little bit of just hanging, a little bit of just swinging, you know, the vibes.
Good morning! Good morning, vlog! We're on our way to Falls Church, Virginia. Chloe and I are both wearing all new fits.
Same here, basically.
Yeah, Emma's wearing my shirt.
It's all new.
Shirt, but a
Like,
new
this
skirt.
is borrowed in mine. Hers is borrowed in hers.
We are going to pick up good old Glenn this morning. I don't think he knows what he's in for.
He absolutely doesn't know what's in but I'm gonna enjoy the picnic that we go on.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a picnic. We're going to Tyson's for a little bit. Chloe has an eye appointment. We have a schedule. We're gonna do our little haul, I think, probably later this afternoon because we'll have our final haul of everything.
Right.
This is a little preview. This top from Old Navy, $12. You have to get it. We are right on time and we will catch up with you guys when we're at Tyson's.
But we can go in the shade.
We've made it. We've made it to the Tyson's. We're going into Macy's. About to go nuts.
Hi everybody. So first I went to H&M. You can't tell because the bags aren't labeled. Got this cute little square neck, red, white top. It was $10. Smashed. Then I got this fun little tennis dress. And I think I wore it with the wrong shoes last night. Wore it with some golden gooses. They're not mine. I don't think it was the vibe, so I need to find the right pair of shoes for that, or the right occasion. I think it was too chilled for a night out. Got the same one in white. And then we went to Zara today. Oh, my jean shorts are elsewhere, so, oh, right here. I got these, and they're really short, so they might be returned. And then I got this little cute green tank top.
What about what you're wearing right now?
Outdoors. Just to stick with the sporty theme, I got a tennis skirt from American Eagle. It goes like this. And then I got a matching sports bra top.
Cute little sporty summer chic.
Sporty girl.
Country club summer.
To accessorize, fun little Forever 21. I got some really cute earrings.
Amazing. Thank you, beautiful camera work.
And a fun little, check out the boobs. That's what I got.
Guys, new fit. Who dis? Look at this top. Ooh, I actually bought a lot of like gold bracelets today. I was gonna do a haul in this video, but considering how much I've bought on this trip, I think I might do a little haul video sometime this week. Might just be a little bit easier.
What's she talking to?
Just the vlog. I'm telling them how I'm gonna do a haul instead. But yeah, right now we're getting ready for dinner. I might wear this top. I'm wearing it with a tennis skirt right now, which not the vibe. So we're going out to dinner in Reston. I'm meeting up with my uncle, so I'm really excited about that. But we're gonna get dressed for dinner, and then tonight we are going to look at the monuments at night, so I'm gonna bring like a change of clothes for that because I'm not gonna be so glam for that.
I might re-straighten my hair just to feel something.
Okay, catch up with you guys after.
Yeah, boy, just trying to nail.
Hello vlog. We have made it to, oh, Glenn's gonna be in the vlog. Vlog, meet Glenn, Glenn vlog. He is our special guest star for the night / day. We are at Reston Town Center grabbing dinner. I put my hair up in this little clip. I feel very South of France. South of France.
Easy money.
This is the dress I got from H&M.
This is so good quality.
I'm wearing it with my Vehas and my new little bracelets from Forever 21. This little ring is like the one that you can buy for 50 bucks. It was $5 at Walmart.
You look so pretty.
Let me do you. Chloe's also very sexy.
So, hello everybody. This outfit is actually mostly sponsored by my grandmother. Dress, grandma. Necklace, grandma. Bracelet, grandma. Target.
No, Target.
Forever Target. Forever 21. Hair, myself.
What shoes? Air Force Ones.
Yeah.
Classic. Air Force Ones. Wait, do you want me to show you?
I'm actually really good at this.
Classic. We all kind of wear the same outfits
Air
on
Force
the rig.
Ones, airy tennis skirt,
No.
Megan's,
Yes. Target.
Jungle Cat, SoFlo, UVA.
Natural
Natural.
beauty.
Natural beauty.
Glenn, you're up.
Oh, I'm okay. I don't
Come
know. I don't know
on.
where this stuff is
Oh my god, I'll make it up then.
Nike.
Nike.
I've got some blue khaki shorts and a shirt, a little charcoal,
Good match,
charcoal
good
gray.
match, good work.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take over the vlog, don't drop it.
Alright, so we're actually out in Reston right now. My freaking paparazzi are following me. We're parking for free because That's what we like to do.
We're on a budget.
We're balling on a budget.
Even though it's probably like $2 a part.
We spent so much money this weekend. Like, basically,
the haul
that you're getting is going to be immense. But at the end of the day, like, we will be returning back to, where'd you go? We will be returning back to Tyson's because Zara did us dirty. Like, it's great in theory, but when you buy it and you try it on, you're like,
when they don't have
you have a dressing room open.
that's what's gonna happen.
Dinner was so good. We went to Daxten's. I got the like sesame crusted tuna, super yummy, and now we are headed to the monuments. Woo. Emma and Glenn finished about 2 hours ago. We have abandoned them. Not abandoned them, that's not the right word. We just finished. So we are meeting up with them now, and then we are about to head to the monuments. Hi everyone, you look terrible, wake up. We're with Megan. Drinking her water. So you're supposed to look at here, at the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just my chest.
Chloe got, what'd you get?
Baja fish, taco, and street corns. Ouch. I got brisket, carnitas, maybe, and ribeye. I don't know. I'm new here. I got water.
Well, everyone, we have completed our final shopping trip unsuccessfully at Nordstrom Rack. Now Emma is cuffed. So really,
Look at me. That's such a terrible thing. I'm not showing my face anywhere.
who would have thought at the end of this vlog we would be penniless? Probably I probably thought that. Emma would have a boyfriend and Chloe and I would be single as ever.
Shut up! Don't lump me in. There's still hope. Not really.
Anyways, vlog. Thanks for watching our chaotic. Don't hit the mic.
Oh, me. It's just, it would really add.
That would really add right now. Thanks for watching our chaotic little.
Wait, we should film another one. I feel like this one's not as good.
Outro clip?
Yeah, okay.